Still paying for a Canva subscription you're not using? Let's fix that in under 60 seconds. No calls, no emails, no hassle. Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you exactly how to cancel your Canva subscription or turn off autopay, whether you're on desktop or mobile. Let's jump right in. Step 1. First, head over to canva.com or open the app and log into your account. Step 2. Once you're in, click your profile icon or the settings gear icon, usually tucked in the top corner of your screen. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings. Step 4. Now look for Billing or Billing and Plans. It'll be under the Payments and Plans tab. Step 5. You'll see your active plan listed. Click the 3 dots next to it and select Cancel Plan. Step 6. Canva will walk you through a few prompts. Just click Continue Cancellation at each step until you reach the final confirmation screen. Click Cancel Subscription and that's it. You're done! Quick tip. Do this a few days before your renewal date so you're not charged for another cycle. And that's how easy it is to cancel your Canva subscription or stop autopay. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya!